Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams. I will be doing your language arts video, and sorry I didn't get to make any videos last week. We've been having some difficulties with the program and also testing that I've been doing with report cards. So I'll send some videos over the holiday break. And to help catch you up and just to make sure that you're going over the letters and the sounds and words. So I will send some more videos over the holiday break for you, and hopefully we can all catch up. For today, we are studying letter U, and I had to find a different way to show you what you need to see. So for now, I have this, and it's just the letter tiles, and we have the letter U. And the letter U makes two sounds. It's a vowel. If you notice, it's red, and the U sound makes the uh, 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 and the other sound is U, U, U. You can make some words. We could use the letter P, and what word do we have now? So if you sound it out, you have up. So that's two letters together to make the sound up. If I was to put the letter P for the first sound, what would the word be? Let's sound it out. Uh, pup. If I change the sound of the first letter, let's see, if I do, we'll have to do a makeup word. Okay? What would the word be? Sup, sup. If I change it to the letter C, the word would be cup. Now I'm going to change the last sound, and I'm going to use the T, thing. What's the word? We have k, t, cut, cut. If I change to M, t, mutt. And then the U, remember it makes the U sound. I have to add the E, and the E helps the U make the long vowel sound. So it just says U. So it would be mute, mute. So then it's mute. If I add the letter C, it would be cute, cute. So when you have the E, it's the silent E, but it makes the vowel the long sound for cute, mute. So we'll be practicing some of the CVC words and the CVCC words also. So we'll be doing some words like that to practice. But I just wanted to make sure you knew that we have the letter U today that we're working on. And just remember, it makes two sounds. The long sound, U, and then the short sound, uh. Okay? Next, we have our sound rainforest. I'm excited that that was working because it has a lot of good pictures for us to look at. Okay, so we have uh, for brush, And then we have wig, ig, wig. So let's see if we can figure out where they go. We have bug, makes the sound. We have no bug, so it's not going to make the sound. So when I was looking at wig, it, does it make the sound like bug? So no. So we put it here. We were right. Then we have brush, bug, uh, uh. So let's see if we're right. And duck. Where do you think duck goes? D, uh, bug. So anytime we have the sound, it's gonna go here. Okay, drum, uh, fire, fire. Remember, we're looking for the sound, so it goes over there. It's not the U. Let's see, gum, um, uh, uh. That makes the and bus, uh, uh, bus. So we're listening to the middle sound. Cup, up, uh, uh. So it goes here. Mm, O's, O's. That was an O. Bun, un, uh, uh, bun. And so most of these words have the U in the middle. It's a lot of times when we're using the letter U, it will be in the middle of the word. So you have to listen extra carefully. Hug, ugh. Put it here. Then knee, e. So that one is the E sound. That'll go there. Okay. Next in your workbook, you have we have a new unit, and you should have your K.3. If you need your K.3 workbook, just check with your teacher. Most of us have sacks ready for all their new materials that we can either send to the office or they're in the foyer by the office with your child's name. But contact your teacher on Class Dojo if you still need your child's material so they can begin their new assignments and new work. All right, so when you open up your book, you're going to have telling stories different ways. Stories can be alike and different. So what story is this? This is the Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. And it says two stories can begin the same way. Okay? And then the weekly question, how are two versions of the same story alike and different? What happens in this ending? What happens in this ending? And so sometimes authors use stories that have already been written, and they might change the ending, they may change a character in the story, they might change what happens at the beginning. So think about different stories of the Three Little Pigs that you've read that could be different from maybe another one that you've read before. So this one, it has what happens in this ending. And so on this one, he blows the house down. But in this one, he's getting chased by the pigs. And then the kids in class were talking about how the wolf went down the chimney and ended up in a pot of boiling water. Um, so those are different endings. So it's still the same characters, but different endings. So think about other ways that the story is, two stories are alike and how they could be different. In your workbook, you're going to have bug, bug. You have the sound. We just practiced with the sound for us. You're going to circle things that have the sound. So your pictures are nut, clock, duck, and cup. So which one should you circle for the sound? Then your next page, you have the short U, and you're going to circle the pictures that have the sound. And most of these are pictures that we just had in the Sound Rainforest game. And when you find them, you're going to do the letter U. So you circle jug, and then you'll practice the capital U and the lowercase u. And then tomorrow, the next day, you have CVC words. You have pup, sun, tub, and jug, and you have to put the U in the middle. Make sure you do it the correct size when you're doing it. Then you have syllables, and you're going to look at, identify the blends and syllables in each word, and then ask to color the wedges that have a picture word with more than one syllable. So if it has more than one syllable, then you're going to color it. So like volcano, they already did it for you. Basketball, they colored it for you. Violin, so those are ones that are colored. And just practice saying these and listening for the syllables. And then we'll go into letter V next time. Okay, we have just a few minutes. On here we have 2 sheets that have the letter U. And so you have cube, duck, drum, mule, tub, rug. And then it wants you to match the fun, the word fun that has the sound. So if you're looking for the sound, let's see if you can figure it out. We have cube. Cube makes the U sound, so that doesn't have the same middle sound as fun and have the sound. Duck. Duck has the sound, so you draw a line to it. Then you have drum. Drum. Uh, uh, uh. So you can draw a line to it. Mule. Mule. Does that have the sound? No. How about tub? Tub has the excuse me. So you can draw a line. Then rug. Rug has the sound. Okay, and then this one you have to read the word and then figure out which one matches it. And so you have cub, cube, hug, huge. So you can stop the video and then see if you can figure out where you would draw your line to. So if I was doing huge, I would draw it here. That's a huge building. And so I would draw the line there. So think about hug, cube, and cub and try to write those. Well, I'll make another video tomorrow and send it, and hope you have a good day. Have a good one.